Hi, this is with Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable automatic brightness on your MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, disabling automatic brightness in the macOS is easier than you think. It's very simple. If you want to disable this feature on your Mac, you can go to your menu bar in here. You'll find here's your display brightness. You can adjust your brightness in here. And if you want to turn off the automatic brightness, you can select in here, like the arrow icon in here. Click on that. Now you can go to display preferences. And from here, by default, your automatically adjust brightness is on. Now if you want to turn this off, you can uncheck this in here. So now you have uncheck list. You have disabled this feature from your MacBook. It's very simple, right? So that is how to disable automatic brightness on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.